Hello everyone. Good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and you are in very good health. Good. So friends, here I have next topic for you because many of students have requested me to make video on this topic, home country, IELTS speaking part 1. And friends, there are a lot of topics. I've uploaded videos on these topics, IELTS speaking part 1 topics, and there are rest of the topics I'll upload videos one by one. Okay, so you'll have to wait for some time. So now, for the time being, let's start with very first question related to the topic home country. I hope you will find this video quite helpful. So here's the first question. Very first question: do you know the history of your country well? Unquestionably, I've been taught about a plenty of interesting, significant historical events, prominent personalities, their accomplishments during my school days. And still, I am in the habit of reading books related to history in order to increase knowledge. Okay, so friends, here prominent it means जो मुख्य पर्सनैलिटीज़ हैं, जो फेमस पर्सनैलिटीज़ हैं, ओके, वेल नॉन रेनाउंड पर्सनैलिटीज़ हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज़ आई एम इन द हैबिट ऑफ, इट मीन्स in the habit of something, in the habit of doing something. It means I do something regularly, on regular basis. Okay, now second question is, which part of your country do you want to live in? India is known as for its diversity. Each part of my country has distinctive, it means unique features. The part which I am living in is Punjab state, has unique culture, green waves, farmlands, hospitality binds people together in bonds of love. Needless to say, it means of course. Okay, needless to say, it means of course I want to live in the same part during my lifetime. Now third question is, what makes you feel proud of your country? The list of things what we make us feel proud of our country is endless. Firstly, unity in diversity. India has varied culture and tradition, mouth-watering cuisines, beautiful dances, breathtaking tourist places, different languages, and so on. Apart from this, India has given important mathematical concepts such as zero, decimal, algebra, calculus to the world. I'm really lucky to born in India. Now, this brings me to the last question. Last question is, will you stay in your country in the future? Undoubtedly, I'm looking forward to living in this country during my lifetime. Although I'm fond of traveling, I want to travel to foreign, but my permanent residence will be in my home country, India. So friends, that's all about this topic. Thanks for watching and happy learning.